what's good, YouTube family? It's your boy Big D and Chopper up there. But before we get started with the video, if you guys are new here, remember to hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications so you won't miss any of me and my doggy's future videos. What I would like to talk about is the lip sync battle I just watched with Big Bird. And I mean, Big Bird, he's not just lip syncing, he's beak syncing. I'm telling you, I knew Big Bird was gonna win because the performer inside the costume, he was really dancing, but he don't have to mouth the words to it. He could just use the hand to make Big Bird's beak move. Yeah, that's what I like. And hey, I may be, what I was gonna say. No matter how old you get, no matter how old I get, Big Bird will always be my number one character. Cause hey, I watched the ending part when he decided to sacrifice his winning build. Like, he already knows in lip sync battle there can only be one winner. But for one time, he had to break the rules, so he had to give the belt up to the other opponent. I gotta say that was very so. Hey, I know Big Bird is like a yellow tall canary. I know he may be like creepy to y'all, but I think Big Bird is also kind of sweet, and Big Bird is sweet, and he's soft-hearted. He's a soft-hearted yellow bird. I mean, that was very nice of Big Bird to do that. Yeah, I know some of y'all think it's not cool to have a bird as a friend, but I think Big Bird is. But I say Big Bird, he's cool, and he's also very kind too. He's always so kind to other people. He loves to help out the kids. I know, I'm telling you, he loves to play with kids, especially with his team, especially with his own club called the Birds Katir. And by the way, on a lip sync battle with hosted by LL Cool J, I knew Big Bird was gonna win. Cause hey, of him beak syncing, that big beak of his, it really does match the words right of the song. And I like the ending part how Elmo and Cookie Monster appeared. They came all the way from Sesame Street to surprise the other people. And I'm just happy that the lip sync battle allowed the Muppets to be on one of LL Cool J's shows. Because hey, we may get too old to watch kids shows. Sometimes we may get too old to watch kids shows, but we never get too old to watch the Muppets. Muppets are one of our favorite characters. They're funny, lovable, and soft-hearted too. So Chopper, what do you think of Big Bird? Do you think he's awesome or cool? Do you think he's awesome or what? Where's Chopper? Oh, here he is, right here. So what do you think, Chopper? Okay, I'll take that as he's cool. Alright, that's all the time we're going to be today. So remember, hit that. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Remember to hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications. Like, comment, share, and I'll see you next time. Peace.